In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the sound problem on Pinterest. So if you're experiencing sound problems on Pinterest, such as videos playing without audio or unexpected muting, here are some steps that you guys could do to prevent it. So number one is you want to check your app settings. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top left and select on your profile picture just like so, then go ahead and press on account management. Once you're over here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see app sounds, and you want to go ahead and actually turn this on. And this will basically allow you to hear sounds on your Pinterest account, guys. So just make sure that this is actually turned on. So yeah, just make sure you do have that on before you actually start going ahead and looking at videos or stuff like that. And also you want to make sure that your mobile device volume is all the way up. So of course you are able to actually hear it. And by the way, if you're using something like headphones, then your headphones could actually be causing the issue. So double check that your headphones are fully functional. If none of these work, another thing that you guys could do is actually go ahead and reset the app. So close out of Pinterest and then open up the Pinterest application one more time. Also, you want to make sure that you do have the most latest version of Pinterest, because if you have an outdated version, then that could be causing issues. But if you updated the app and you did everything I told you, then what I recommend that you guys do as a last resort is actually delete the Pinterest application and then reinstall it. This will basically go ahead and reset all the files and settings and stuff like that, and it will basically give the Pinterest files a fresh new slate. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.